Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Good to be with you guys tonight. Got an exciting recipe, spicy, air-fried, bacon wrapped tater tots. 3 different heats, guys. Got habanero, jalapeno, banana pepper, plain. Gonna hit them with some sweet baby rays. Alright, but we're just gonna jump right into this. I already wrapped one. This is the habanero. So I want to keep this on the bottom of my air fryer, which I've already preheated. Okay. And this, guys, these are fresh habanero. Fresh. It's tasty. All right. So what we do? Take the bacon, and we'll just stick with the habaneros for now. Gonna roll the bacon. We're gonna stab it with a toothpick, just to sort of hold it together. All right? And we're gonna do this with all these tater tots. Good Lord, you know? There's a lot of tater tots. But I won't keep you guys around to watch me roll all of these. I'm just going to give you the basic idea. And then I'll hit them. Off camera, I'll finish them up. We'll put them in our air fryer for about 16 minutes. But I'm going to do all the habanero on the top, on the bottom rack. I'm going to do the jalapenos on the middle rack and the rest on the top, because I don't want it to drip down, the hot ones to drip down onto my little guys, because he don't like a lot of heat, Gunchy. Alright, but so we got them on the tray, and what we do with these, once we got them on the tray, guys, hit them with a little sweet baby rays. Any flavor you would like. And these are going to be amazing. And we don't even have to flip them. Why? Because I have the air fryer oven. All my stuff's suspended in the air. So I don't have to flip them over. 16 minutes in the air fryer, guys, and they're golden. Little tip. Let your potatoes thaw a little bit before you try to stick them with a toothpick. Makes it a little easier. This will be a blooper reel for you guys, you know. Blooper reel for the Reaper. Oh yeah. Stab that sucker. Alright. Alright, but I'm going to go ahead and... Now we'll do one with jalapeno for you. We can keep the hotter ones on the top, guys. Alright? A little bit of bacon. Everything's better with bacon. You know? Bazinga. Little guy, he's hanging out with us today. No. You just dab him with the sweet baby rays. He's been up for like 26 hours, my cameraman. So he's a little tired. Alright. But I'm going to finish these up, guys. I'll be right back with you in a few minutes. Stick around. Alright, guys. Got them all good to go. They're in the air fryer. Now, I did preheat this earlier. It's always good to preheat your air fryer. 16 minutes at 400. Should be getting ready to kick on, and there it goes. Let's turn the light on. Here's the light. All right. And I'm going to clean up my mess. And we will see you in a few minutes when these babies are done. Oh yeah. The magic is happening, guys. Spicy, bacon wrapped, air fried tater tots. Three different heats to tantalize your taste buds. Non-heat, banana pepper heat, habanero heat. There you have it, guys. Spicy, air fried, bacon wrapped tater tots. And I don't know if I showed you guys, I got a new coffee cup. This comes from a great little company. It's called Goth Rider Coffee. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. Check them out. I'd like to thank you for being with us again on another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. God bless, and we will see you next time.